Should you buy a home now or wait? I've been getting this question a lot lately. Of course, the answer depends on your specific situation, but here's something to think about. Once you buy, you start building equity, and you'd be surprised how quickly that can add up. Even with today's more moderate home price growth, let me show you what I mean by that. Let's say you bought a $450,000 home in January of this year. Based on home price forecasts from over 100 economists, real estate experts, and investment strategists, you could gain over $90,000 in equity over the next 5 years. That is a significant amount, and that's what is at stake if you wait. So if you're ready to buy and you want to grow your wealth, you've got an opportunity right in front of you. And with mortgage rates dropping recently, it's a great time to explore that opportunity. Let's connect so we can talk about how you can take advantage of today's rates and start growing your net worth. Thanks for watching. Carolyn Alvarez from Real Estate by Carolyn over at Balboa Real Estate, putting you first every step of the way.